issued a special marine warning for. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out 20 nautical miles. St. Andrews Bay waterways. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach from 20 to 60 nautical miles. At 3:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along
This one.
extending from 10 nautical miles south of Oriskany Reef to 38 nautical miles south of
No.
Okaloosa Deepwater Reef, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts at 40 knots.
Okay.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Cape San Blas, Mexico Beach, Port.
Ooh. That's nice.